If you were a hardcore av geek back in the 1990s and you took aircraft slides, you probably went to Sharjah. Sharjah was an amazing airport in the United Arab Emirates that saw visits from the most fabulous of Middle Eastern and former Soviet-era aircraft, such as Tupolevs, Ilyushins, and Antonovs. These aircraft were in high volume out of Sharjah back in the 90s, and it was a mecca for aviation fans taking slides. This airport is sadly today not a shadow of its former self. It is unfortunately just another low-cost Airbus airline airport and nothing to do with what you're seeing here on the screen right now. But we've got this amazing video. It's over 1.5 hours featuring nothing but non-stop classic airliners back in the mid-1990s. You're going to love this video. It streams over at JetFlix TV, which is the hardcore av geeks' preferred aviation streaming service. You can check it out, and I look forward to seeing you over at JetFlix TV. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this fabulous action. Ooh, look at this fabulous footage. This is Latvian Air Charter's Tu-134 getting airborne. Incredible. Hear that roar. Fantastic. Anyhow, this footage was filmed by Chris Mack, who has done many of the videos over at JetFlix TV. So thanks to Chris Mack for this incredible footage. If you'd like to give JetFlix TV a try, I've popped a link in the upper right-hand corner of this video with some great deals. Just give them a click and have a look at what we have to offer, and I'm hoping you might be willing to give us a try. I think you're going to love our content. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time.